Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your iPad Air supports eSIM and is updated. This avoids compatibility errors. Once done, open Settings and tap Cellular. This directs you to the eSIM workflow. Make sure you have the carrier QR code or activation details nearby because you will scan or enter them. If the carrier provides an app, download it now. You need a stable Wi-Fi connection and your Apple ID signed in so the eSIM can activate securely with Apple's network services. You tap Add Cellular Plan. The iPad opens the camera to scan the QR code or shows a manual entry option. Choose whichever your carrier provided. As you follow prompts, select the correct cellular plan and assign a label so you can distinguish plans later. This matters if you keep a physical SIM too. Make sure to choose the desired line for cellular data and enable data roaming only if your plan supports it. This prevents unexpected charges while ensuring connectivity. You finish by waiting for the plan to activate. This can take a few minutes. Check Settings Cellular to confirm the plan is active. If activation stalls, restart the iPad and try toggling airplane mode. This refresh often forces network registration. If data fails, verify APN or manual settings supplied by your carrier and confirm network selection is automatic. One key troubleshooting tip: if activation remains pending, contact your carrier with the eSIM IXID or QR details so they can complete provisioning on their end.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.